Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
About 3 hours. A windshield will take about 3 hours to completely cure and dry after replacement, but to be on the safe side, we recommend not slamming the doors. Enter car washes or removing the tape for 24 to 48 hours after getting your new car windshield.
Make your mark, take our lead.
24 hours. Car wash warning. Don't go through a car wash after windshield replacement until 24 hours have passed. Rain, moisture, and hand washing your vehicle is acceptable. Air pressure caution. Keep your windows rolled down an inch or two for the first 24 hours to prevent air pressure from causing the adhesive to leak.
Take our lead.
Driving with a cracked windshield is never a good idea. The crack could impede your ability to see the road ahead and therefore interfere with your ability to safely operate your vehicle. You should contact a reliable auto glass repair company soon after a crack appears on the windshield.
Take our lead.
More than likely, what you are hearing is the sound of wind getting into the cracks and crevices where your windshield was incorrectly installed. This noise can range from being barely noticeable to very distinct, depending on how poorly the installation job was done.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.